Guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cancel your Amazon Prime membership. So I'm at 7%, so I'm going to make this video really quick. So as you can see, I am on the Amazon app, and the first thing I'm going to want to do is alongside the very bottom here, I'm going to go to the very far right side with the 3 lines, click on that, and then I'm going to click on your account. And it'll bring you to another screen. You're just gonna wanna scroll down a little bit until you see Manage Prime Membership. So I'm gonna click on that and then wait for the next screen. And as you can see, it tells you all the benefits of Amazon Prime and everything. So you can see there, it says Manage Membership. So we're gonna click on that. So you can see we have several options down here. You see Manage Membership, Update, Cancel, and more. So we're gonna click there. And as you can see at the very bottom there, End Membership. So you just want to click on that, and that in a nutshell is how you cancel your Amazon Prime membership. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, and I'll see you guys later.